Hey, what is up, Stellar friends? Today I'm going to be teaching you how to play Baby, I Love Your Way by Peter Frampton. Now the best part about this song is that it's actually quite easy to play if you are comfortable with your open chords. Plus, I'm going to be teaching you that gorgeous intro, which is going to require us to move up and down the fretboard. A little bit more tricky, but really rewarding once you get the hang of it. So get comfortable, grab your guitar, and let's dive in. First off, let's start by learning the intro/instrumental of the song. So this is what we are going to be working towards today. Now, as you can see, this section uses movable chord shapes, okay? So we're going to be shifting up and down the fretboard. So let's go through this one bar at a time. The tablature will be up on the screen to help you. So what we're going to be doing is using our first finger and our third finger for this entire section. So we have our first finger placed in the 10th fret on our A string. And we're going to have our third finger placed into the 12th fret on our B string. So those are the two strings that we're going to be squeezing down. And then this is the shape that we're going to be shifting up and down the fretboard with a slight change every now and then. So we have our 10th fret on the A, we have our 12th fret on the B, we have an open G, and that middle string, which is our D string, we don't want to hear that string. So what I want you to try and do is take that first finger and you're going to collapse it so that it is muting the D string. So if I strum through the strings, and then we don't want to hear the high E string, so this one we can also kind of collapse our third finger so that we're not hearing that. Okay, and we don't want to hear the low E string either, so we're going to be strumming from the A string. Okay, now what I like to do is try to aim my pick for those 4 middle strings. What we can do is we're going to add a strumming pattern. And our strumming pattern, thank goodness for the song, is really easy. It's our favorite pattern. Down, down, up, up, down, up. So the G up here on the 10th fret is going to get down, down, up, down, up. And really focus your pick on those 4 middle strings. From here we're going to shift to what we're going to call a D over F sharp. So that first finger is going to go into the 9th fret and your ring finger will go into the 10th fret. And it's going to get the same pattern. And you're going to do the same thing by using that first finger to block the D string, and you're going to try and not hit your high E and low E strings. So let's try it again from the G to the D over F sharp. Okay, so you can see here when we played the G, we had a fret in the middle, in between the fingers. When we move to the next shape, that fret disappears. So just make sure that you're not just moving this the whole time, okay, with one fret in between. You're gonna have to pay attention to what the tablature is saying. So the G, the D over F sharp. Now that same shape, without a fret in the middle, our E minor chord is next. We're gonna be playing 7th fret and 8th frets. Okay, same sort of sound, and we're going to play this with a whole strumming pattern, down, down, up, down, up. The next bar, you can see we have 2 chords, okay? The E minor again, so you can hold the same shape, and we're going to play down, down, up, down, and then we're going to shift into our next shape. 5th fret, first finger, 7th fret, ring finger. And that's just going to get 1 down strum. It's a very quick shift. Okay, so that 4th bar, down, down, up, down. So E minor to the D, down, down, up, down. And here you can see we've got another fret in between the 2 fingers. All right, E minor, fingers were close. The D, our fingers have moved apart. So let's just try that entire line together, starting on the G. And we're going to do it nice and slowly. So back up to the 10th fret and the 12th fret. And we're going to go down, down, up, down, up, shift. E minor. E minor again. D. Up to speed. The next line of music will be up on the screen. So from that D, that quick shift that we did, we're going to shift it into our next chord, which is C. Okay, and we'll be squeezing down 3rd fret on the A and 5th fret on the B. All right, and this is going to get a full pattern. Down, down, up, down, up. We're then going to shift into our next shape, which is a B minor chord. So we have 2nd fret, 3rd fret. So you can see the gap is now closed again. All right, from the C, down, down, up, down to the B minor. And the last 2 chords are open chords, thank goodness. We have A minor and to the D7. So if we try the whole thing together from the G, it's going to sound like this. Let's do it nice and slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. C, B minor's next, A minor, and D7. So now that we have that intro done and dusted, it's out the way, we can continue and we're going to look at learning the verse. Now, from here on out, the song is a lot more easy and manageable to play. So the chord progression that we need in the verse consists of a G major. From here, we go to a D over F sharp. So to play this chord, we play a regular D chord. And we're going to use our thumb to come over and to squeeze down the low E string, 2nd fret, and this is going to be the note F sharp. Okay, and we can strum all the strings for this D over F sharp chord. Next up, we have a regular E minor. C major is next. And then we have a chord which we're going to be calling an F add 9. And this is going to give us the same essence of the chord from the original track, but it's just much easier on our fingers. Okay, so we're going to be playing an open F major 7 chord. And what we're going to be doing is adding our pinky into the 3rd fret on the high E string. And this is our F add 9. And this chord sequence gets played through twice in every single verse. So we have G, D over F sharp, to E minor, C major, and then F add 9. Great, so the chords are easy and the strumming pattern is going to be the same pattern we used from the intro. It's our favorite pattern, down, down, up, down, up. Now the chords between brackets, that's going to be our G major and our D over F sharp. They are going to get 1 round of the pattern each. G, and then we switch to D over F sharp. Down, down, up, down, up. The rest of the chords are going to get 2 rounds of the strumming pattern each. So E minor, 2 rounds. Down, down, up, down, up, repeats. This goes for the C major as well. And the F add 9. Down, down, up, repeats. So let's go and put the entire verse together, starting on the G. 1, 2, here we go. And G. D over F sharp, E minor, repeats. And to the C chords. And the F add 9. Back to the G, down, down, up, up, down, up, D over F sharp, to the E minor, and to the C chord, repeats, and the F at 9. So that is how we play the verse of the song. And this is going to lead us really nicely into our pre-chorus. So the pre-chorus, we only have 4 chords. We're going to be starting off with a B minor chord, which you can play as a bar chord. But in the song, I'm going to be playing this as an open chord because I don't want to give myself a headache or some sore fingers, because the B minor only comes through in the song 3 or 4 times. So for an open chord version, what I'm going to do is just take my first finger and place it into that 2nd fret on the high E string. And this is our open chord version of B minor. From here, we're going to be changing to an E7. An E7 is a regular E major chord with our ring finger lifted up off the strings. We then change to A minor. And our last chord in our pre-chorus is our D7. And the good news here is that we have the same strumming pattern from the verse. Each chord is going to get 2 rounds of the strumming pattern. Down, down, up, repeats. So let's play through that pre-chorus together, starting on the B minor. 1, 2, here we go. Down, down, up, repeats. E7. Down, down, up, repeats. To the A minor, to the D7. Down, down, up, down, up. And now for the easiest part of the song, we are going to be looking at the chorus. So those chords are up on the screen. We have a G major and a D major. They're contained between the brackets. And then we have an A minor to a C major. Okay, now we're going to be using the same strumming pattern that we've been using throughout the whole song. The G and the D are going to get 1 pattern each, and the A minor and the C will also get 1 round of the pattern each. So it's going to sound like this, starting on the G. Down, down, up, switch to the D chord, A minor, and to the C. So back to the G. D chord, I love the E, A minor, to the C chord, back to the G. I want a D chord and A minor to the C. One more time, and G. Wanna be with you night and day, and the C chord. And that is how we play the chorus. Now that we've learned all the main sections of this beautiful song, what we'll be doing next is a full playthrough coming up, so have your guitar ready and I'll see you there. So here we go for a full playthrough. A 1, 2, 3, 4. Shadows grow so long before my eyes, and they're moving across the page. Suddenly the day turns into nights far away from the city. could buy one out of season, but don't hesitate, 'cause your love won't wait. Oh baby, I love your way every day. Wanna tell you I love your way every day. Wanna be with you night and day. Oh baby, I love your way. So if you enjoyed this lesson and want to improve your strumming, your chord transitions, as well as keep building your confidence as a guitarist, then I've put together step-by-step courses that are going to teach you all of that. They're linked below in the description, so go check it out. Thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in another Stellar Guitarist song tutorial very soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye!